Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Juvy the Millennial Mom, and today I am going to transform myself into the goddess of death. First thing I'm going to do is to fix this flower crown to my head. Pin it properly, then proceed to makeup. I'm gonna start off by applying this CC cream from Avon. I applied it with a brush and then blend it properly. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of contouring today. Here, I am using my Rimmel London bronzer. You can use whatever you have to contour your face. I'm gonna start off by contouring underneath the cheekbone. Brush the contour underneath, then blend it a little firmly. Bring it down alongside the mouth to sculpt the face. Then I also applied the bronzer to my forehead closest to my hairline. Now for the eyes, I'm going to be a little bit crazy and messy. Take any eyeshadow, eyeliner, gel liner, or whatever you have, then apply it all over your eyes. In my case, I used my blackest eyeliner from Avon. I also fill in my lips with the same eyeliner. This does not have to be neat. You can be as messy as you can. The messier, the better. With a blending brush, I blend it all out to make it more grungy. I blended the eyes as well as the lips. Now for my eyebrows, I just use my white eyeliner to shape my eyebrows. This is from Wet n Wild. Again, you can use whatever you have. I also use this eyeliner to outline around the eyes. And because it keeps on breaking, I decided to put it on a palette, then warm it with my fingers and apply it with a smaller brush to add details on this look. I just added some random stroke lines all over my cheeks and around my nose. I also added the stroke lines on my temples and all over my forehead. I also added some lines on my nose. Then I went back to my black eyeliner and outlined around the eyes again to add some more details and depth to the eyes. Now, the interesting part, the mouth. I just wiggled some eyelash glue around the mouth, then attached the CDs that I broke down to pieces to serve as the teeth for this look. You have to be careful with this because it's a bit sharp. It might hurt you. Then after I applied the CD, I put some more lash glue on top of it to secure it. Just because I'm not sure if the lash glue can hold it, I applied one layer of liquid latex to make sure it will stay. While I'm waiting for the liquid latex to dry, I applied some green glittery eyeshadow on top of my lid and drag it down under the eyes. Then on top of it, I applied the glittery roller green metallic eyeshadow from Avon. Then blend everything with a blending brush. And just because I think it's too neat, I took a brush and dragged the eyeliner down to my face. And then I applied some rhinestone under my eyes because why not? She's a goddess, the goddess of death. Then afterwards, I went back to the green eyeshadow and put it all over the mouth or the teeth. I also added the green metallic eyeshadow on top of it. I also added some brown eyeshadows on my nails and on my fingers to complete the look. And then, aura. And we're done. The Goddess of Death makeup look is complete. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, leave any comment down below, and please subscribe if you haven't yet already, and see you in my next video. Bye!